Hey everyone, today I'm teaching you how to enable voice typing in Microsoft Word on your PC. Open Microsoft Word. First, open any Word document, either a new one or an existing file where you want to start typing. Now, at the top menu bar, click on the Home tab. Look across the ribbon until you find the Dictate button. It has a microphone icon. Go ahead and click it. If this is your first time using Dictate, Word might ask for microphone permissions. Just click Allow when prompted. Now, you can start speaking, and Word will type everything you say in real time. It works best if you speak clearly and at a natural pace. You can also say commands like period, comma, new line, or question mark to control punctuation and formatting. Want to move to a new paragraph? Just say New Paragraph. If you need to pause for a bit, just click the microphone icon again to dictate off, and click it again when you're ready to continue. You can even change the language of dictation by clicking the right icon next to the Dictate button and choosing from the list. This is super helpful for multitasking, writing essays, notes, or even hands-free work. And that's it. That's how you enable and use voice typing in Microsoft Word on your PC. Easy, fast, and super helpful.